Good evening, everyone. This is Atticus from The Complete Trade, and today I'm going to be taking a look at Lido Dao. So, since the last update, Lido has pumped quite a bit, up 35%, but nothing to get too excited about. Very similar to Ethereum, until Lido Dao breaks out of this descending channel, I'm just viewing all this price action as corrective and just more opportunities to accumulate before Lido Dao really takes off towards the upside. Lido Dao did bounce off the blue value area low that we discussed in the last Lido Dao episode and is now just consolidating around the 200 daily moving average in red, similar to Ethereum. Because Lido Dao is an Ethereum related cryptocurrency, they're probably going to move in tandem. So, similar to Ethereum, we are tracking a bullish 1-2-1-2 setup, same as last episode. Last episode, there was some FUD surrounding Lido Dao and Solana. Market makers just used that news to drive price down to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement to buy more Lido Dao tokens at a discount. In terms of the Elliott wave count, I'm marking the bottom of this wave 2 retracement, and it does look like our wave 5 was simply a truncation that failed to break below wave 3. I did say last episode that there was a chance that Lido Dao wouldn't hit our ideal price target of $1.20, and that anywhere between the blue Fibonacci retracement support area that spans between $1.16 to $1.72 was an excellent opportunity to buy the dip. Still, at today's prices, $1.70 or $1.80, I still think Lido Dao is a great buy, not financial advice. Now that we've established that the wave 2 retracement is in, we can start focusing on a wave 3 extension, which should take Lido Dao to the 1.618 trend-based fib extension at roughly $12.61. In other words, Lido Dao is also primed to hit new all-time highs. In one of the previous episodes last week, I talked about how every cryptocurrency has its own timeline when deciding when to pump. To illustrate that point, let's take a look at the Volatility Expansion Index. Lido Dao currently has a volatility reading of 18%, which is very low, and the explosive move towards the upside will probably come when volatility crosses above the gray moving average. Taking a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin's Volatility Expansion Index has already crossed the gray moving average towards the upside, which explains this massive pump to $35,000 recently. Taking a look at Ethereum, Ethereum's Volatility Expansion Index has been very low for well over a year now. When the Volatility Expansion Index on Ethereum crosses above its gray moving average, that's when the price of Ethereum will probably rocket towards the upside, and Lido Dao will probably follow as well. The Volatility Expansion Index is very similar to a heartbeat detector that constantly oscillates between the extremities. There will be periods of high volatility, followed by periods of low volatility, followed by periods of high volatility. Keep your eyes on Ethereum. I know everyone has their laser eyes focused on Bitcoin at the moment. When the Volatility Expansion Index on Ethereum crosses the gray moving average towards the upside, Ethereum and other Ethereum related cryptocurrencies like Lido Dao are going to rip it towards the upside. Okay, so let's take a look at the Lido Dao against Bitcoin valuation. Honestly, not much to update. Price is still clinging on to the bottom of the falling wedge, as well as the white 1.618 trend-based fib extension. Just like in the last episode, if Bitcoin dominance continues to surge, it wouldn't surprise me to see the Lido Dao against Bitcoin valuation tag the blue 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. Regardless of short-term price action, I'm still expecting the Lido Dao against Bitcoin valuation to retest the highs in the long run. We'll conclude this episode by addressing the title of this video. To be honest, I do not believe Lido Dao is going to be the next MATIC solely based off of Lido Dao's market cap. Lido Dao is already a $1 billion market cap crypto, so I definitely don't expect a 100x on Lido Dao. The similarities between MATIC and Lido Dao, in my opinion, is in the price action structure. Very similar to MATIC in 2019 and 2020, Lido Dao is just drilling on sideways in a 3-wave correction. Now, if I excluded all the bullish candles on the MATIC chart, you definitely wouldn't have bought, because MATIC at one point almost suffered a 90% crash in value. Most people won't buy Lido Dao because there's no price appreciation so far. But if you're new to crypto, no cryptocurrency trades sideways forever. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, always realize that it's 360 days of pain for 5 days of euphoric ecstasy. Let me just take the chart off of log scale. Christ almighty, look at MATIC's chart. I'd kill for that to happen to Lido Dao. All right, so that's my weekly update on Lido Dao. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.